say anything or say why they're here or anything like that, I'm just gonna, you know, if it's a small enough group, I don't even think we need the PA. So if anybody else wants to talk, I know we got Joe Kozub here. If everybody hasn't met him yet, he's running for sheriff. And I don't see any other politicians. I don't see any politicians. That's right. Yeah. We don't want to vote for politicians anymore. So, no. Joe, if you want to go ahead and speak, then go ahead. Anybody else that wants to talk, go ahead.
Good afternoon, everyone. I've shook a lot of your hands already. I'm Joe Kozub. I'm running for Marquette County Sheriff. I appreciate everyone coming out here today, especially on how crappy of a day it is. We're obviously here to back the Blue. The Blue family in Marquette is really tight. They're very close and everything else like that. I'm going to keep this short, but if there's any... can't talk today. We all know who Paul Harvey is. Can I get a show of hands who knows Paul Harvey? Okay. One of the great speakers of our time and everything else like that. And he said, beneath the froth is the facts, that less than 1/2 of 1% of police misfit that uniform. And that 0.5% is what's being relayed in the media. All right. And a lot of times that's just due to mistakes. All right. Generally with police officers and correctional officers, they know within the first 2 years whether or not this job is for them. And we have good officers and everything else like that in the city of Marquette, Marquette County Sheriff, Magani, Ishpeming Township, Forsyth. We have them everywhere in this county. So we want to show them support. So can we get a round of applause for the boys in blue?
Yeah.
Woo! And girls, yeah.
Anyone else want that? Go blue.
All right, well, anybody who wants to go for a walk, I guess we're going to start off, go down to as far as the post office, move past the sheriff's department, the police department, and come right back here. So just show everybody that we're out here, and a little bit of rain isn't going to stop us. This is a hardcore crew, by the way. So, yeah. I'm not saying that the other people don't back the blue, but this is the hardcore crew. So,
The Blue work in rain, snow, sleet, or hail, so we need to back them in rain, snow, sleet, or hail.
Right.
The Blue work in rain, snow, sleet, or hail, so we need to back them this way.
that's right. Stay in front of me, please, right now. Go. Stay in front of me. I gotta remember to walk slow this time. That's why you guys don't put me in the front. Last time I took off like I was actually.
Maybe we can make each light.
That'd be better, yeah. Now that there's only this little bit of us, we could probably make each light.
You didn't want to come. Are we just gonna wait?
We're gonna wait from
I really care.